ocean blue. Wiggle tail and splash with glee, dancing through the deep blue sea. Tiny teeth and bubbly grin, let the fishy fun begin. Mama Shark says come and play, it's a super splashy day. Doodle-doo, doodle-doo, swim and giggle just like you. Baby Shark is cool, zooming around the coral school. Papa Shark goes chomp, 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 bubbles burst with every stomp. Brother Shark with flippy fins, spins and silly sharky spins. Sister Shark with shiny scales, sits around with speedy tails. Grandma Shark with gentle eyes, tells old tales neath seaweed skies. Doodle-doo, doodle-doo, clap your fins and shout yahoo. Baby Shark so bright, glowing in the ocean light. Octopus plays peekaboo, jellyfish go jiggle too. Krabby Crab tap on the sand, dancing in a sandy band. Sea turtles swim slow and wide, singing songs with ocean pride. Dolphins jump and twirl around, making waves with happy sound. When the moon is shining high, stars are twinkling in the sky. Baby Shark sings soft and low, floating gently in the glow. Nighty night, the sea says too, snuggle up in water's blue. Close your eyes, the song is through, a dream still hum that doodle-doo. We'll come back to play with you. Baby Shark, hooray! We had fun today, let's play.